Today, I'm diving into one of nature's most mesmerizing processes, photosynthesis. Ever wondered how plants create their own food and basically, well, how they breathe? Let's break it down. Imagine the sun, a massive powerhouse in the sky, beaming down its energy to Earth. Plants, those silent, stationary life forms, harness this energy. But how? It all happens through photosynthesis, a process as old as life itself. Photosynthesis occurs mostly in the leaves of plants. Inside these leaves are millions of tiny structures called chloroplasts. These chloroplasts contain a magical substance called chlorophyll, and this, my friends, is where the magic begins. Chlorophyll captures sunlight and uses it as an energy source to convert carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil into glucose, a type of sugar. This sugar is what feeds the plant, giving it the energy to grow, bloom, and reproduce. But that's not all. During this sugar-making process, something vital is released as a byproduct: oxygen. Yes, the very oxygen we breathe. So, not only do plants feed themselves through photosynthesis, but they also literally keep us alive. Next time you pass by a tree, maybe say a little thank you for that breath of fresh air. Now, the equation for photosynthesis might sound a bit like a chemical recipe. Sunlight plus 6 molecules of water plus 6 molecules of carbon dioxide equals 1 glucose molecule and 6 molecules of oxygen. But in simpler terms, it's just plants taking sunlight and turning it into life. So, every time you enjoy the shade of a tree or bite into a crunchy apple, remember, it's all thanks to the power of the sun and the incredible process of photosynthesis. Isn't it amazing how interconnected our world is? All right, that's a wrap on today's Green Thumb Guide to understanding how plants turn sunlight into life. Keep questioning, keep learning, and most importantly, stay curious. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you in the next video.